How to remove TikTok filters and effects. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, you have to launch your TikTok. And once you do so, make sure that you locate or simply select a picture where you would like to remove filters and effects. Now, for effects, you may go ahead and swipe into your left. If you have any effects, you will be able to see it and you can also remove it. Here's another way you can do it as well. You will see a sparkling icon, tap onto it. This being your video, if you have added any effects, you will see a none icon. You have to tap onto it in order to remove filters. Now come back and tap on this icon here. And in order to remove the filters or effects, tap on this none icon. And just like so, now you have your original photo. You can go ahead and save it or post it. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.